So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to read charts and indicators on Libertex. First, make sure you log into your Libertex account if you do not have so, and after that you can simply open your Libertex app on the screen. And when you reach to the Libertex interface, on the bottom left corner we could see the markets. Tap on the market. Over here you can see all of the popular instruments. Select one of the instruments over here, and here we could see all the ticker symbols that identify the stock using its ticker symbol. Example, over here on the candlesticks, the green are the stock price closed higher than it opened that day, and the red is the stock price closed lower than it opened that day. And the real-time trading price of the stock is usually highlighted on the right hand axis, and on the bars at the bottom indicate how many shares were traded during that specific time period as well. And you can also select a time frame. On the top we could see just below the chart there's a time frame selector. Tap on this icon. Over here you can also select how much minutes or seconds or a day or 1 day, and the shorter time frames mean more detail, good for day trading. The longer time frames smoother, better for swing trading as well, and this determines the time interval for each data point on the chart. Example, 1 day means each candle represents 1 trading a day.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.